Problem number 5. Let Sn denote the sum of the first n terms of AP such that S2n is equal to 3Sn. Then the ratio of S3n by Sn is, 4 choices are given, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have to find out which one is true. Now here the formula for the first n term, we know that n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S2n is equal to 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. These are the formula, well-known formula, which we have written down here. But it is given that S2n is equal to 3Sn. 3Sn, sorry. It is given 3Sn, and therefore 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d equal to 3 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here this n by 2 and this n by 2 is getting cancelled. After simplifying this one, what we will get? 4a plus 2 into 2a is equal to 4a. 2 into 2n minus 1d is equal to 6a. 3 into 2a means 6a plus 3 into n minus 1d. And this, you take this to the right. Or let me write down one more step here. 4a plus 4nd, multiplying this 2 minus 2d is equal to 6a plus 3nd minus 3d. And this implies you can take 6a to the left hand side. That's going to be minus 2a left out, and take this 3nd to the left hand side plus nd we will get, and this 3d we will take the left hand side, that is going to be d is equal to 0, and this implies 2a equal to nd plus d, that is 2a equal to n plus 1 into d. Let me call this is equation 1. Now next what we have to get next we have to find out S3n by Sn. S3n is equal to 3 into n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, and divided by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this n by 2 and this n by 2 is getting cancelled, and this is equal to, we have 3 into 2a plus 3n minus 1d divided by 2a plus n minus 1d. By what we have got from the equation 1, I am going to substitute here 3 into, what is that? nd, sorry, that is d plus d into n plus 1 I am going to substitute instead of 2a, which we have got the value earlier in the equation 1, into 3 into n minus 1 into d divided by d into n plus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. This equal to what we are going to get, 3dn plus 3d plus 9dn minus 3d. After simplification, the numerator, we have got this much. And now the denominator, dn plus d plus dn minus d. Now you can see here minus 3d plus 3d is getting cancelled. In the denominator, minus d and plus d is getting cancelled. 3dn plus 9dn is equal to 12dn. In the denominator, it is going to be 2dn, and dn cancelled. 2 2 6 ja 12, that is 6. Our solution is 6. The answer B is